To access free topic sheets, worksheets, or to book an online class, visit ilearneasy.co.uk. Hello! In this video, we will learn about letter combinations. The letter combination O and U make the ow sound. Ow. House. House. Mouse. Mouse. A mouse in a house. A mouse in a house. The letter combination O and W can make the ow sound. Ow. Cow. Cow. Brown. Brown. I can see a brown cow. I can see a brown cow. The letter combination O and I make the oi sound. Oi. Coin. Coin. Soil. Soil. A coin in the soil. A coin in the soil. The letter combination O and Y make the oi sound. Oi. Toy. Toy. Boy. Boy. The boy has a toy car. The boy has a toy car. The letter combination O and O can make the sound. Book. Book. Foot. Foot. This book is good. This book is good. The letter U can make an sound. Pull. Pull. Bush. Bush. I can pull my dog. I can pull my dog.